Practice problem 1.4. If you haven't watched the previous videos and are not familiar with SolidWorks, please do the same and watch them. We'll start with this design, and it might look a bit complex, but it really is not. The only intimidating feature is the ellipse. Go, go to your SolidWorks workbench and start a new part design. Let's go with the side view or over here, or the front view, whichever you would like to call it, and start a new sketch. We create an ellipse over here by going to the circle feature, by going to the ellipse feature and doing this. Then we create a circle on this side. Take a line for construction and make a line right through the center. Using another circle, we create a hexagon like it is mentioned by selecting the polygon feature, 6 parameters, like this. Make this horizontal and start giving the dimensions. 6. Before you start, turn mmgs into inch pound second since the volume is inch cube. Right click, edit sketch. 1.6 is the total length. The total height is 1.5. Zero 0.5. The distance between the circle and the end is 0.175. And this is 0.125. Take the line that is for construction and make one from one end to another. Make sure that this circle is coincident. Okay. Now let's go with 0.45. And as for the hexagon, the distance of the two lines over here is 0.25. Great. Now that it's a fully defined sketch, let's go ahead and extrude these. This goes up to 0.15. Select contours. Go to sketch, extrude. Now we'll select both of these regions and extrude them. We'll select this region and extrude it up to 0.15 plus 0.45, which is 0.15 plus 0.45. The last time we extrude is take this, and it's going to be 0.15 plus 0.15, which is 0.3. And as you can see, we're done with our sketch. Let's evaluate this. The volume that we get is 0.15 cubic inches, which is the case over here, 0.146, roughly the same. This is in IPS units, and the sketch is a bit tricky. Let's start with the front plane sketch. Front plane. As you can see, I've selected IPS. So one trick over here, press your spacebar key to get this kind of thing, and you can click wherever you want to get that particular view. Okay. Now let's create two circles, two random lines, and get these lines to touch the circle. That is, make them coincident. Both of these lines are horizontal, equal. This can be fixed over here. Let's take a line for construction and join these 2 points and make this vertical. We create a hexagon right here and make this horizontal as well. Now put in some dimensions, 0.4, 0.5, 0.8 as the diameter, 0.5, this is 3.25, 0.8. Okay, now the trick part over here is that if you see, we do not make this hexagon at the center of the circle. This is the center of the circle, but not the center of the hexagon. So unlike in the earlier case, we create a hexagon randomly, make this horizontal, shift this in a bit, and start giving it dimensions. Take a line and draw this through here. Making this vertical. This line is 0.25, and this is 0.4. Take a line for construction and join these two, making them horizontal. This is 0.5. Okay. Now the last thing we have to do is use trim entities and trim this all. And trim this as well. We are finally ready with our sketch. Time to extrude. And extrude up to 0.3 inches. Here we are with the final model. Evaluate. Mass properties. The volume turns out to be 0.55, which is roughly the same over here. Thank you.